Hi there, it's state.The, and this here is King Mattress by Novilla. And this is made of memory foam and it's 10-inch deep. And it has improved the sleep quality in our family. Whether you are side sleeper, back sleeper, Marty McFly sleeper, or belly sleeper, this is the one for you. It forms for your body and also keeps your spine aligned. And I think that's something that people normally look for in a mattress. We basically just look for a mattress that goes well with our new bed. And this is not a box spring, so it's all memory foam and it's been working well. But of course, everybody on their own style. So you might find comfortable to add something to this or use it as it is, and it goes both ways. It's a great mattress to consider if you're looking for a new mattress, and I like how firm it is. There's nothing like the feeling of new mattress, and that is my point of view.